Factors to consider when choosing application software. 1. Whether the cost is within your limit. 2. The actual objective of the package. 3. If the supplier maintains the package. 4. The hardware requirement of the package. We continue. Simplicity of the software. If the software can be modified by the user. The version of the package currently in the market. If it can be interfaced with existing software. Categories of application software. 1. We have word processor. These are programs that mainly manipulate textual data. 2. They can be used to easily create documents such as memo, circular, reports, and letterhead. They include Microsoft Word, WordPerfect, and WordPad. Those are examples of word processors. We look at the features of a word processor. 1. Reformatting. Word processor gives the user the ability to change a document setting, font, and spacing of the text. Word wrap. Word processor gives the user the ability to type without giving regard to the right-hand margin. After typing a sentence, the cursor moves to the next line automatically. Spell checker. Word processor has inbuilt dictionary, which enables the user to check the spelling and grammar mistakes. Thesaurus. It has an inbuilt dictionary that gives instant alternatives or synonyms of particular words. Headers and footers. These are text inserted on the top of every page or at the bottom of every page. So you can insert headers and footers using the word processors. Sorting. Word processor enables the user to manage text, to arrange text in a given order, either in ascending or descending order. Using the word processor, you can be able to arrange your text in ascending or descending or vice versa order. Mail merge. It enables the user to combine different addresses with the same body of a letter to obtain several original letters with the same content. Number 2, we go to spreadsheets. Spreadsheets, they manipulate numerical data, commonly used for analysis and graphical representation of information. They can be used to produce charts, create report forms, and easily perform all types of calculations. Examples of this application is the Excel and Lotus. Then you go to database. Databases are used for processing low data and analyzing it in order to come up with recommendations. With it, you can easily work with large volumes of data. For example, keep records of all students, keep records of books in the library, and easily track those that are lent out. That's the work of the database. Examples of these programs are Microsoft Access and Database. Then we go to presentation software. This one is used to create presentations that can be used to pass information. It can also be used in advertisement purposes. An example of presentation software is the Microsoft PowerPoint. Then we go to web browsers. Web browsers are used to get information from the internet. An example of web browser is Internet Explorer. Publisher. Publisher is used to design a wide range of publications. For example, producing a school magazine, brochure, newsletter, cards. That's the work of the publisher. Examples of this program include Microsoft Publisher and PageMaker. Then you have tailor-made software. These are specifically designed for particular place and for special purpose. An example is timetable program that can help to schedule classes and computer-assisted learning programs as a tailor-made software. Questions. 1. Discuss the importance of the following application software. 1. Word processor, spreadsheet, database, presentation software. web browser, publisher, tailor-made software. We discuss the importance of all those. Explain the difference between computer hardware and computer software. Discuss the following categories of computer hardware and state examples in each category: input devices, output devices, storage devices. Then you go to Microsoft Windows. Window is a separate viewing area on a computer display screen in a system that allows multiple viewing areas as part of graphical user interface, that is GUI. Parts of a window. That's a window. It have all those parts you can see there. We are going to look at each and every one of them. We have the close button that is used to close the window. Maximize button makes the window fill the screen. Once you click the maximize, the window will fill the screen. Minimize button reduces window to an icon on the taskbar. Then you have the store button that takes the window back to its size it was before it was maximized. Scroll bar helps one to navigate through the various parts of the window so as to view all the content. That's the work of scroll bar. Status bar shows the status of the page. Cursor, whatever is typed appears where the cursor is. Editing screen, this one is used for typing. Toolbar, this one displays shortcut commands in form of pictures. Menu bar displays command. Menu bar displays the commands. Title bar displays the name of the learning program. Questions. Explain the importance of the following parts of the window: scroll bar, status bar, toolbar, title bar, and menu bar.